Welcome guys. Let's do Matic technical analysis and price prediction. So please watch this video complete and please subscribe my YouTube channel. Join me on Telegram and Twitter. Links are in this video's description. And please watch this video complete because in this video I am going to show you my new charts and all new targets. And if you want to grab these bounces, $9,180 bounces of these exchanges, just go to in this video's description or in this video's comment section where you can get these links. Click on these links and create your accounts, and after initial deposit you can grab these bounces. These bounces are absolutely free and these are tradable bounces. Just trade with these bounces only and put your seed money away. This is risk-free trading strategy. Let's dive into the content. Matic current price is at $1.81 right now and it is in this falling wedge pattern. Strong spot is at $1.71 right now, and Matic have to hold this spot. If Matic broke this spot area, after that next spot area is $1.49 price area. I think Matic price have to break this upper trend line, and after that it have to hit this first target, which is $2.14. After that second target, which is $2.34, and after that third target, which is $2.58. If Matic unfortunately break this support zone, in that case Matic can go down to $1.49 price area. Let me please show you some indicators. First of all, volume. Volume is missing. We need strong volume, but unfortunately volume is very less. Let me please show you EMA ribbon. Candles have to break this EMA ribbon and have to cross $2.05 price area. After that Matic can hit these targets very easily. Let me please show you RSI. 4-hour RSI is very bearish and it is at 35. It have to cross 50 level. After that price will definitely move towards upside. Let me please show you MACD. MACD crossover was towards downside. Now towers are changing their color. Maybe we may see crossover towards upside, and after that price pull back, and after that we may see a price upside movement. Let me please show you second chart. This is Matic daily chart in USDT pair, and Matic is in this ascending channel. Here you can see this is upper trend line, this is down trend line, and this is spot area is $1.43, and next spot area is $1.03 price area. Matic have to hold this line area, which is very important to hold, which is at $1.70 price area. After that I think Matic can move like this, I think, and Matic can be rejected from this zone because this center blue line is acting like a support and resistance base. Here you can see several times price touches this, and after that price bounce back, and men's price broke this. After that we see a upside movement, and here you can see also. You can easily see this. Our next target is $2.20 price area, which is this center line of this ascending channel. After that maybe this area $2.73. We have to be very careful. Let me please show you volume. Volume is missing. We need strong volume, but unfortunately there is very less volume. Let me please show you EMA ribbon. Daily candle have to close $2 price area. After that it will break this EMA ribbon, and after that we may see a price upside movement definitely. And let me please show you more indicators. RSI, daily RSI is at 45. It have to cross 50. After that we may see upside price movement. Daily MACD crossover was towards downside, and now red towers are coming. Maybe we may see price drop, but this area is very important to hold, which is $1.70 price area. If Matic price hold this area, definitely it can hit $2.19, and after that this area, which is $2.56, this will be the second target. And once Matic price broke this ascending channel towards upside, after that it can easily touch $3 price range, And if Matic price break this 1 cents price area, I don't think price can go down to hit this kind of level, but maybe we have to be very careful, and Matic have to hold this area very tightly. Let me please show you my favorite indicator, which is very important to me, and this is CPR indicator. This is monthly CPR indicator. Let me please arrange this chart and let me please show you. These yellow lines are monthly CPR sportive lines, and here you can see Matic price is at sport line, and these blue lines are monthly CPR bullish targets, and these red lines are monthly CPR bearish targets. Monthly CPR bullish targets are these targets: $2.14, $2.49, and $2.86. And monthly bearish targets are 1.44, and after that maybe price can retouch this zone, $1.07. But I don't think, I think price have to move towards the upside after hitting this zone. This will act like a support, I think so. Let me please delete this and let me please hide this, and let me please show you fib levels to trade. For this I have to manage this chart. Let me please do this. Previous bottom to top, if I calculate, here you can see it is currently holding this 0.38 fib level, which is $1.84 price area. If it broke this, in that case next zone is 1.5, which is very important, and it is $1.61 price zone. And after that this golden bucket, which is $1.38 price zone, and after that this area 0.78, which is $1 price zone. We have to be very careful. Maybe price can drop to $1.62, maybe price can drop to $1.37 if Matic break its major support zone in that case. And if Matic hold this, the next target is $2.12, which is 0.23 Fibonacci level. After that this area, which is $2.58 price zone. This is my technical analysis, guys. I hope you like this. If you like this, then please subscribe my channel, hit the bell icon right now, and if you want to grab these bounces, $9,180 bounces of these exchanges, just go to in this video's comment section or in this video's description, where you can get these links. Click on these links and create your account, and after initial deposit you can grab these bounces. These bounces are tradable and these are absolutely free bounces, but for this you have to deposit. The only condition is you have to register with my affiliate links and you have to deposit. After that you can grab this money free and you can trade with this money free and put your seed money away. This is risk-free trading strategy. Trade with this money only. Thanks for the watching and always keep supporting me. Take care.